Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need 2 oranges, 2 chocolate chips, 1 raspberry, date syrup, and non-dairy yogurt. I'm using coconut yogurt. You will need to peel your oranges and cut one of your oranges in half. You can also pull apart the slices of the uncut orange. Let's get started. You will see I have put my ingredients off to the side, and I have one of my orange halves on the board. I'm going to now move that towards the right side of my board. That's going to be the head of my cat. I'm going to start with the face first. I'm going to grab my raspberry and my 2 little dark chocolate chips and put them right on the face. And you can make your kitty's face look however you want, with the eyes close or farther apart. Now I'm going to make the body of my kitty. I'm going to use the orange slices that are already peeled apart. I'm going to arrange them in whatever way I want. My kitty could be a little chunky or chubby. It could be really long and thin. I could give my kitty a super long tail or keep it short. Your kitty can look different from mine, and we know that being different is awesome. I'm just going to use up some of my orange slices and layer them to give my kitty a plumpier look. Next, I'm going to grab a piece from the orange slice that is cut, and you will notice it's in a triangular shape. This will be perfect for my kitty's ears. I'm just going to nibble, nom nom nom, very quick to make it a little more flat on the bottom. Then it will stay nice and flat on the board. I'm going to do the same for another piece. There we go. Now our kitty has ears. I'm just filling in a couple more spots and voila! My chubby kitty is ready to be striped. I'm going to grab my yogurt and a spoon. I'm going to stir up my coconut yogurt just a little bit and then gently start to stripe my kitty by moving my spoon across the body. I'm going to give my kitty a white belly and lots of stripes. I just love a good tabby cat. I'm even going to put some stripes and some eyebrows on the face. Now I'm going to grab my date syrup to start making the darker stripes. If you don't have date syrup, that's okay. You can skip this step, or you could use cacao syrup to make the dark stripes. I'm going to give my kitty a little smile and some eyebrows. My final step is to make the claws for my kitty. My chubby little kitty looks so happy and is so delicious to eat. I hope you enjoyed making a kitty with us today. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You could also subscribe for more snack animal fun. Thanks for being here. Bye!